Let's be honest Filipinos who retire abroad, we don't stop being Pinoys.
So some retirees support their parents, some help with tuition, and some send for emergencies.
And some don't have regular obligations. Pero if sending is part of your story, whether it's regular or occasional, make it simple.
Kasi when you're living on a retirement income, every euro, every dollar matters. So the way you send it matters too.
Kasi retirement is about freedom. And if you choose to give, di mo na kailangan mag-isip ng 2 beses how to send it.
Kaya when we do send, we use TapTapSend. So for sending money to the Philippines, don't forget to download TapTapSend. It has 0 fees for all mobile bankings and e-wallets. So what you send is what they receive.
And kung nakatira kayo sa US, sa Canada, Australia, UK, Europe, or the UAE, gamitin nyo lang yung code namin, TapHaven. And makakuha kayo ng extra $20 on your first Padalab. O di ba ang dali?